Hello and welcome to this guided tour of a virtual tour of a CAD mock-up for a sporting event. This one is at Southampton FC, the Saints, as you can see. It's for a football tournament, the visiting team's changing rooms. There you go. It's a changing room presentation. So this basically is for tents and events people. This is aimed at. So it's not really a dear Mr. Prospect, have a look at my marquee. It's just to have a look at this drawing package. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little wander around here. This was one of the first ones that I did, experimenting with positioning a photo. Looks a little bit gacky, and I perfected it a little bit more since then. You can do lots of things with fencing, as you can see. Top right of the screen here, the viewpoints button. Let's use that for safety's sake. You can step around. That's for pre-recorded positions, just to help your prospect navigate, really, just to show them where you're at. I'm just going to walk through this. This is the tunnel for the players to go from their changing rooms to the pitch. So I'm kind of like doing this, you know, the reversed way through, really, but we just like to experiment with these things. So this might be the view that they would see as they were coming from their visitors' changing rooms, and this is their facilities inside, really. So sort of locker rooms and benches and tables and dustbins and portable toilets, portable showers, etc. So this was just the sort of to show the team's event manager, you know, how the event space here could be used. Everything can be, you know, nicely put fitted into the marquee space here. Yeah, so you could, unfortunately there's no point going into the showers because you don't see any naked footballers, ladies, I'm afraid. No, nothing to be seen in there, just those sort of funny lighting effects in empty space. I think you have to pay a lot more for virtual nudity in here, so I'm afraid this is the clean before 9 PM version, and I've never even played with the other one at all, really, actually, not even mildly curious about how it looks. So let's pop in here. The waitresses, on the other hand, okay, anyway, so it's exactly the same. It's the mirror image of that side to this side. You get the idea. What can be seen from the other viewpoints? Yep, we've already seen that, goodness gracious. So yes, you'd be just using that, really, to sort of, you know, make it easy for your prospect to have a little look around, or indeed you can, from the same page that you clicked this video, you can download this player and steer it around yourself, and probably make a lot better job than I have of it as well, actually. So I prefer to use the keyboard for moving around. I just get a little bit more control, but maybe that's because I've got wobbly hands, I don't know. Obviously you can use the mouse, hold down the left mouse button and just move the mouse to zip around in it. Yeah, what other ones we got there? And that's where we started from. Just lastly to mention, this is obviously, you can change the texture and the appearance, the materials of the various surfaces. This is on a definitely undrillable, hard standing, lovely paving stone finish. So I've shown these PVC covered water ballast tanks around the outside, just basically to show the event's customer how it's going to look. So they're drawn to scale. There's lots of them. It's just to kind of, like, just to be sure that they know how it's going to look. Okay, enough gabbling. You get the idea. Thank you for watching my